Let's talk borders. Borders, I like to do my borders first. I always end up with a better result if I do them first. Sometimes I don't, but anyway, it's up to you. So what I've done here is where I've got the stepping stone, there's a slight little lip up here. We'll leave that. We won't tile onto that unless you want to. That's up to you. So what I'm planning on doing or suggesting is that we take our tiles just the width of the tile, 3 centimetres from the edge, or a grout line, if that's how your brain thinks. So that would be where we would stick our corner. What I've done here, let me push it up further, is put them a row on a tape to see how they fit. So then I can say, oh yeah, these are going to fit well. Oh, but if I just do it plain, it's not going to fit well. So I need to bling something in the middle, perhaps. Or how many tiles do I need? A little bit of an extra, more of a spread with the 15 centimetres. That makes it a very big tile. 15 mil across here. I do that so often. And that works. That's a nice fit as well. So there were more hearts. The ones with the 4 hearts, of course, are fitting well. So that gives you some ideas to play with. When you've got your stash and the things that you like, or the stash that you've already bought and not quite sure what to do, just have a play. See what fits and what doesn't fit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to work on the 3 items at the same time. I hope this doesn't do your head in. It shouldn't, because it's basically borders and flowers. So we'll look at a nifty trick to do this. And I started doing this when I very first attempted to teach myself mosaics, because my hands were really bad and wobbly. They're much better now that I have my special medication. But I still use it because it makes it quick and easy, and you can see where you're going and the spacing. I'm going to use the blue. I had a whole bunch here. The blue 15s is what I'm using. So what I did there, and it might appeal to you as well, is I got 2 of the same colour. Luckily with these ones at 19 Mosaics, they have every colour. You get it plain or iridised, and then just mix them up, and you end up with a nice little mix of bright and flat. It's a really nice effect. So that's what I'm going to do with that.